Here I have Infocus M810 and let me show you how to use power saving mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's use upper bar twice, and here let's tap on power saving. So as you can see, power saving is activated. Now you can use your device in power saving mode. Here you've got your icon, and you can also disable the power saving in the same way by using upper bar twice and by tapping the power saving. If you hold down power saving for a couple of seconds, you will open the power saver options right here. So here you can also enable and disable power saver. You can see the configuration of your power saving. So here you can enable also data connection. Here you can also enable low power mode. So let me, for example, enable low power mode. And here basically you've got a few interesting options to configure. You can also go back, and as you can see, you can find the power saving by using the personal and by scrolling down to the device, and here you can tap on battery. Here you've got the battery information, battery usage, and you can also tap on power saver, and here you can use the power saver options. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.